Hey, and welcome to 1267 Lower Taulbee Branch right here in Vancleve, Kentucky. This is an amazing 46-acre farm. You can hear the animals in the background. Been chickens crossing the road, some sheep. They got turkey over there. But let's walk on up here to this amazing 3-bedroom, 1-bath farmhouse. Brick, really nice metal roof house. I'll let you all walk in real quick. I'm gonna sit right here on the front porch, take in this amazing mountain view. Look at this. I mean, this is a great place to wake up and have coffee in the morning. I mean, look at that. I mean, there's one road here. Been here for about 20 minutes. I haven't seen one person come out here yet. Very, very peaceful, very quiet. You got a neighbor, I think, half-mile down the road that way, maybe a quarter-mile down the other way. But I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna let you all walk through the inside, and then you all can walk around the property here. I wanna relax and take it easy at this peaceful place. Have a good view. Y'all like the inside and around the property today. It's been peaceful sitting here, listening to the dogs talk, the chickens and the ducks. been awful peaceful. There's a coffee shop in town. Let's go check it out and we'll talk more about this piece of property. Just got here, got some Jade and Kate cold brew. Really good cold brew. I think they put some vanilla in there for me, I don't know. I told them make it good. But I hope you enjoyed Lower Taulbee Ranch. Got a nice farmhouse, 46 acres. Built around 1970. Really nice piece of property. Great for hunting, great for anything you want, really. It's a fantastic little piece of property. About 30 minutes away from Walmart. You know, you got everything pretty close by, but just far enough to where, you know, you're out of town. But if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Look me up, morerealestate.com. Thank you. See y'all next time.